Roots. Tell me a
Yes.
little bit about it.
Okay, so it's a new venture where now we have the double-decker sightseeing bus for tourists.
Mm, mm,
And now uh, we need our online presence for a few reasons. One is for bookings and reservations, and the second one is for payments. So those are
okay,
the key issues that we really need to get up and running so that
okay.
we synchronize with the launch and everything. And of course, we have tight deadlines because we discussed with AT last time to say we want to roll this out on the 16th of by 16th of November. That's next month,
Mm-hmm.
which is in a few weeks from now. So
Okay,
we had two approaches. We are going to run parallel. In this case, ATN will take it up with the other platform like the main. As he's building that, we needed something that tentative we can use so that we can still run business like bookings and payments
mm-hmm.
prior to having our own platform built. So that's where ATN is coming in, and then ATN also recommended you to say, no, Henriette has also a platform she's manning something that might need your needs. So you just have to arrange a demo with her, and then you go through and maybe you see what it can offer.
Okay,
Yeah. So basically that we are new in the first place, and yeah, this will be the first platform that we are taking our customers on board.
okay.
Yes.
So let me show you what Q2B can offer you.
All right.
Okay, so we've built uh, in our activity section,
Mhm.
we've built a what we call resource pools.
Okay.
Okay, and then how we developed it. So if you can see on my screen, you'll
Yes.
see there bus tours Cape Town, and then you can get from Bloemfontein to Cape Town,
Mhm,
for
mhm.
instance.
Yes.
So then it means if they hop off and they hop on, or they book from, uh, let's say Pretoria or Joburg to Cape Town, it will immediately take the seat away. So if they want to get on in Bloemfontein to Cape Town, the seat will be gone because the seat is already allocated.
Mhm.
So let me show you. You can put it on your website. You can have, of course, categories where you can say Cape Town tours or just under tours, and all your tours will open. Or you can have it under sections. I've got a lot of examples here now with game
Mhm.
drives, quad
Mhm.
biking. But the activity works on a specific day with a specific time slot.
Mhm.
So let's say, for instance, I want to book for Saturday.
Mhm.
I'm gonna go. You can also have different departures. So
Mhm.
6 o'clock and 3 o'clock, and I'm gonna take the 6 o'clock one to Cape Town. Okay, then
Okay.
check out. And of course, online, you can explain, you can have links in here, you can have your documents where they can download it, etc.
Mhm.
Then we also cater for adult prices. We cater for 2 child policies.
Mhm.
So you can have let's say your first child policy is 0, but child sit on lap, okay, of adult. And then you can have a second child policy where you say child on own seat.
Mhm.
Pensioners, we also do pensioners.
Mhm.
So I can just add, and I say 2, then we allow you to sell anything upfront as well.
Ah,
So
okay.
let's
Okay.
say, for instance, water, um, lunch packs, whatever, how you, or extra suitcase, um,
Mhm.
whatever you want to add as an add-on, you can have it
Mhm.
as an add-on.
Okay.
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 And
Yeah.
we compile all this information for you to a list where you can pull the list and you can see, oh, I've got 20 extra suitcases for the day.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. Um, so then it's easy to manage and also to see. Anything that you put on there, they select it, we compile it to a list for you. Then, of course, you can add the customer details. We populate the customer
Mhm.
details by email. So,
Mhm.
customer's email is unique.
Mhm.
all the information, and of course online they will be able to pay, and they'll go directly to the pay gate. I'm not online at the moment. I'm logged in, so
Mhm.
I'm allowed to do this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. But of course on the pay on the online, the pay gate will force them first to pay.
Okay.
Okay, then it sends the invoice to the customer.
Mhm.
Um, let me just show you on the email. Let me just pull my horrible email box here. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
and it sends immediately, it sends the invoice to the customer. There's the invoice.
Okay.
Okay, and they can open the invoice immediately. Okay, so with pre-populated information that you decided that you want to send if you send a booking,
Mhm.
okay, and any attachment that you
Yes.
want to send. So I wanted to show you here. See, any attachment, the invoice, any attachment that you say, if somebody books, immediately send them this attachment with as well. And that could
Okay.
be anything, your terms and conditions, anything.
Yes.
And then with activity, it also creates a ticket.
Okay.
Let me just open this in full screen. So it creates a ticket. It
Mhm.
tells the person the ticket number, and when they arrive at the bus, this can also be scanned and then the ticket is redeemed.
Mhm.
Okay. So if you want to use it, you don't have to scan the ticket, but it sends a valid ticket with the booking. All
Okay.
right. And any attachment that you want to send to them, any terms and conditions or whatever. But
Mhm.
what's nice about it, I'm on the same bus now. Okay, and then somebody can book from on the same bus, book from Bloemfontein to Cape Town, and it will immediately take off. If I go and pull Saturday's report now, and I say all my tours or bus
Mhm.
tours, let's do all my tours. Okay, so here I have booked two,
Mhm.
but to Cape Town, so I booked um, um, bus tour, Cape Town, two, and there's the booking.
Yes.
But then immediately it takes two seats away
Okay.
because I'm
Okay.
going straight to Cape Town.
Yes.
So this trip will probably be Joburg to Cape Town,
Mhm.
and then you pick up people Bloemfontein to Cape Town, but it
Mhm.
already removed
The
two
two cities.
seats, so you can't get overbooked.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So that is what's nice about it. And so you can link your whole trip to fill your bus. Um,
Mhm.
so just to show you what we've done here with the pools, we can also manage pool capacity. So let's say you've got 10 quads, in your case 10 buses or two buses going down, and they must book seats. We can say
Mhm.
we've got 10 quads and I sell them 1 hour, 2 hour. The same with your tours. You can say
Okay.
I'm selling my tour from here to here, and I'm selling it also from here to here, and manage I've only got 50 seats.
Mhm.
Okay, so it can
Okay.
work on pool capacity. Then we've got reduction, what I've got my tours buses on. So I'm saying I've got this one tour bus and it's doing
Mhm.
my Cape Town trip. And
Mhm.
please manage these seats for me, this trip and this trip. And I've only
Mhm.
got one bus.
Mhm.
And that will manage then that your bus don't get overfilled.
Aha. Okay.
Okay. So let's say I'm getting off in Bloemfontein again. Okay. Then the seat
Mhm.
will open from Bloemfontein to Cape Town again.
Okay.
So let's say I booked a trip um, Joburg to Bloemfontein. It's part of the same bus. and I get off on Bloemfontein, the seat will be available again from Bloemfontein to Cape Town.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so that's what we call reduction.
Mm-hmm.
So it's quite a nice feature. We actually built it for the tour operators that goes out, and they manage their properties or their tour company like this, where they can say, okay, I'm going, let's say, to the Kruger National Park, I've got 10 seats, sell them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, of course, you can get an online link. So this will be your online link if you want to sell by categories. So you can have Joburg to Bloem, Joburg to Cape Town, blah, 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 and all these different ones, and they will come up under different categories.
Okay.
Okay. So each time they book, it will show you how many seats are still available.
Yes.
Okay. So either categories or what we call a direct link. Okay. And the direct link will show all your activities in alphabetical order.
Okay.
Okay. Then we call activity find. Now this is for somebody that wants to book a trip to Cape Town, and I want to book Bloemfontein to Cape Town.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to book both seats. So this
Okay.
one I'm going to book, and of course you can have Cape Town back to Joburg. You get what I'm trying to say to you. So I want to book a trip here, but I want to also book a trip on the 27th of November again. And then I want to take the 3 o'clock bus.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you can book multiple trips. I don't know if you will require this, but you can book multiple trips. Okay. So I'm just showing it to you. It doesn't mean you're going to use it. Just to say for somebody that's going to travel maybe 2 months and they want a trip and they want to book another trip. I can also book another trip here, and I'm going to say, for this trip, I need that one. And then I want to book the same trip in November,
Mm-hmm.
and then all the trips are on the booking. So they can pre-book all their trips as well.
More or less like a calendar. They can
Yeah,
plan. Okay.
okay. So just to give you some idea, that's what we can do. Most clients will use this one where all their trips are listed. And then people will open up. I want to do Cape Town. I want to do KwaZulu-Natal. They open and all your trips are here with the revenue. All the details are here.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And to show you what it looks like online, if I go out here, so they go to your website, they click on the book now button,
Mm-hmm.
and then they get into the site.
Okay.
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 And they will select this, and then they will book their trip from here.
Uh-huh.
Now, if your PayGate is set up, you'll see now it's not going to populate because I'm not booked, logged in.
Yes.
So, unfortunately, we have to capture all this information.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. You can decide online. Online, do you want pay later and pay now? So, probably you'll just go for pay now because you
Mm-hmm.
want them to pay. Okay.
Yes.
So mine is just set up for 2 options. And immediately when they click finished, it will reroute them to the PayGate.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. I
which
see.
they will pay. I've only got a test site and then they will pay. All
Okay.
right.
All right.
So let me just show you on the back end.
Okay.
So that's from a customer's point of view from your website.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then on the back, of course, we compile all your reservations. So there's all the trips that I've booked. If you've paid, we immediately mark it as paid if they paid online. In a booking, we also offer you various information. So there's the customer, it's an invoice, it falls under that revenue group. You can leave internal notes here. You can move the bus tour. If they want to go on another date, they want to reschedule, you can
Mm-hmm.
move it immediately.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There's the additional item that they've bought. You can capture manual payments in here. There's all the options
Mm-hmm.
for payment that you can cap. Of course, when they come online, it will immediately capture online payment.
Okay.
You can have a reference, then you
Mm-hmm.
can mail the receipt, and you can also print the receipt if you want to print the receipt.
Okay.
It immediately mails this receipt to a customer, and it shows the customer you've paid the amount and you've got 0 outstanding. Okay. So that's if you capture manual payments. Then, of course, you can print the document. So there's the document. If you have the pay gate and there's any amount outstanding, we put a pay now button on the document. On the PDF, when they click on it, it goes immediately to the pay gate.
Okay.
Okay. And then there's the invoice with all your notes, all the payments, and all your terms and conditions. You can also list at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then let's say, for instance, they book 20 different bus tours. You don't want to give them a 6-page invoice. You can just send them a summary or print a summary.
Oh, yes.
Okay. And then, like I said to you, the activity voucher, if you want to reprint it, there's the activity voucher. It will have your branding on and your trip photo, etc. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Then you can see everything on the back, what's happened on this booking. So whatever user was logged in, what did they do? What did they send? Did they mail it? Anything that they capture amounts, a full audit trail is given on the booking to see what happened on the booking. Okay, all your payments are captured here and you can resend the receipt or print the receipt.
Okay.
Okay, we've also got a full CRM system built into this PMS. So
Okay.
you can say 7 days prior to arrival, please remind the customer and include his invoice or whatever again. And the
Yes.
CRM can automatically send the customer a reminder.
Okay. That's a good module there.
Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
what we also offer with this is a check-in. So we offer it for accommodation and activities. So if I have a booking today, they will click on their name. You can also send it with the CRM and say, please pre-check in. The same as what the flights would be. They'll select the name and they will check in. Let me someone do a accommodation one for today and I can show you what it looks like. But you can set it up with questions and your terms and conditions. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Your indemnity. It's an
Mm-hmm.
electronic indemnity, signed indemnity. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So that we set up with your questions, with your terms and conditions, your indemnity, what you want to relate to them, and they can pre-check in. So I don't know if you get the people to sign an indemnity.
Who decide on that?
Sorry?
Yeah, I think we'll decide on that. They have to
Yeah.
type. They still have to.
So what's nice about this, with the CRM, you can send them a pre-check-in link. They open it up and they can pre-check in.
Okay.
And you can ask them any questions, date of birth, any selections. They can read your terms and conditions and indemnity. You say, I agree. The app can also take photos. So if you want a photo of the ID or license card or the person, it can also take signatures and say finish. Okay. So if I go to that booking, I think it's the top one now. We capture all that information for you in the booking. Oh, let me just do another one. Sorry, I must look at the booking number
No problem.
6. Okay. Oh, so there's my second guest. So I booked for 2, so they can check in here on the same link as well.
Okay.
If you sign, we also do, let's say a mother and a child is traveling. She can sign on behalf of a child under 18. You can stipulate it's under 18, and then I agree. It can take a photo, it can take a signature, and finish. Okay, and then it's off because both guests checked in. Then if I go to reservations, and I go to this one now, it should have my guests in here. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so it captures all the signed indemnity and all of that. You don't have to go and print it, save it, file it, or anything. Okay, so that's what we call electronic indemnity. Okay,
Okay.
so that is part of the system. Then you can view all the guests that checked in. We also offer feedback analysis. So 12 hours after departure, the feedback goes out and then the customer completes it and you can see how did they rate you.
Okay.
Okay, our rating works 1 to 5, but we send it out to a customer with smiley faces, of course.
Yes.
So I've got a, yeah, example. So this is what it looks like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's sad face, middle face, happy face.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
and it goes out with your questions 12 hours after departure. They complete it. We don't take it to social media. We bring the figures into Q2B for you. And in each booking, you can see the feedback from the customer. You can also pull management reports on it.
Okay.
Okay.
So that one is just, it has also analytics. It keeps track of the analytics as the customers give
Yes.
feedback.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Then also as well, what we offer, so that feedback, function sheets you want to use, then let's say I've booked 2 trips and now I want to split it. Let's go to a trip 1. Okay, and I want to split it in, and I want 2 invoices. I can just say, please put that on another invoice, split.
Okay.
It creates an invoice with the one item only, with a new number, new reference, customer, and you can change this if you want to. Okay. If I want to move it back, I can also move this item back to the original invoice.
Okay.
Okay. So we also carry split and move bookings. Then if you want to upload your proof of payment for this customer, we allow any document here up to 5 megabytes and it stays with the booking. So let's do this one and then you can preview it, you can download it again.
Okay.
And always with the booking, the proof of payment, copy of the ID, whatever you want to attach to the booking. So it must stay with the booking, purchase order, anything that you want to stay with the booking, you can upload in the reservation itself.
Okay.
Okay, then Cassie is a safety app. We've integrated with them for South Africa, where I
Mm-hmm.
just can tick on it and it puts the customer's cell phone and everything in. When I click OK, it's going to send the customer uh, WhatsApp. My WhatsApps are finished. It's going to
Oh,
send the
it's okay.
customer a WhatsApp to say,
Mm-hmm.
do you want the Cassie app? And then and they can sign up or not. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But it's quite an awesome app that they've started rolling it out in Pretoria, Gauteng, and
Okay.
it's actually awesome. I also have it on my phone. I
All right.
tested it the other day, and it's less than 2 seconds. The police found me.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, quite an awesome tool.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then mail in a booking. You can remail the invoice to a customer. These
Mm-hmm.
functionalities I don't think you'll really use. And if I
Yeah.
want to see the customer keeps on saying I didn't get my mail, you can
Yeah.
also watch all your mails.
Mm-hmm.
What was so here you can see my email was wrong on this booking. It says
Yeah.
failed and why did it fail?
Or like a log trail, audit
Yes,
trail there.
a full
Okay.
audit
Okay.
trail on all your emails. It goes,
Right.
it verifies, it sees if an email is incorrectly typed, and it will tell
Mm-hmm.
you there's a syntax in that it can't fix, and it's failed
Yes.
in success. Okay.
Ah, wow. It actually logs even the error message that it got from the server.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's quite a nice tool to have as well.
Yeah.
Then let's say you want to add more stuff for the client. They mailed you now and they said they want to have another bus tour.
Mm-hmm.
And you can add anything for them, any date.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
let's say they want a return ticket, you can add a return and that trip, and it's gonna to be 2 adults.
Okay.
Go.
Yeah.
Anything that you want to add to the invoice, and then you can just remail the invoice to the customer.
Ah, okay.
So quite easy to use. It's not um, difficult. We do offer
Yeah.
training.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
user friendly even. It's
Yeah,
very user
very user
friendly.
friendly. And
Yeah.
like you see, there's an outstanding amount, and immediately it puts the pay now button there. I can click
Oh
on it and
yes.
it goes to the pay gate.
To the package. Okay. Okay.
Okay, then just to give you an overall um, how we manage it, there's the activity monitor and it will show you all your trips. So if I want to pull a report from Thursday to Sunday, what's all my bus tour reports or all my tours, and there's the report. It will give you all the time slots, put the booking numbers in there during that
Mm-hmm.
date. And if
Mm-hmm.
I want to print the report,
You can
there's the
export it.
report. It won't show you all the empty time slots, only the booked time slots.
Okay.
If the
Okay.
customer is paid in full, etc. Now, what
Mm-hmm.
I like about this report, I can also say add the customer's telephone number to the report.
Like a filter to include other
Yes.
details.
So
Okay.
if the bus guy wants to phone the customer, he's got the sheet and there's the telephone number and he can phone and say, are you coming? We're going to depart now. You're
Mm-hmm.
late, blah, blah, blah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it's like an activity report with immediate. We also allow you to add facilitator names in here. So you will have all your drivers listed here. And let's say Yanni is taking this group.
Yes.
So your facilitators can have a login and they can come and pull their own report and see where they are booked.
Ah.
Now, if I go and print the report, it will have Yanni's name in there.
Yes.
Okay. And they can pull a report and they can see where they are booked.
Okay.
So that's also an awesome tool. Then, of course, in the booking, let's say you want to, we also have a chatbot integration with the system and a bulk
Uh-huh.
SMS. If I want to communicate with all these guests in
Yes.
this time slot, and I want to say to them, the trip is going to be delayed. Unfortunately, we had a problem, blah, blah, blah. You can SMS them. If you have the WhatsApp integration, you can WhatsApp them.
Okay.
Okay. So if any delay occurs, you can immediately, and also you can email them. It puts all the emails in blind copy, and you can also mail them and say the bus tour is delayed. Okay. Quite easy to communicate with them. Then if you have a problem, just come here and communicate. Of course, the WhatsApp is nice too, but there's additional fees. And the SMSs, the integrated partner that we've got, charge you 22 cents per SMS.
Okay.
Of course, the email is for free, but the SMS you'll pay for, and the WhatsApp as well to communicate with them.
Okay.
Then let's say you want to do a special trip and you just want to add one new time slot on the fly. You can just say, for my, where is my tours now? Bus tour Cape Town. For today, I'm leaving at 11 and the trip is until, let's say, 5. And I'm taking 20 people. And who is the facilitator? Yanni.
Okay.
Okay. So it immediately opens the time slot there. Do you see the 20 there? And I've created a time slot and now I want to book that time slot. Come. And you can just click on it. And who do I want to book it for? So this is only if you do manual bookings and accept manual bookings. Okay. You say I want to invoice its activities. So this is what we call a manual booking. There's the trip in and I can just say it's for 15 guests or 20 guests. I opened up the time slot for 15 guests. Okay. And there's 15 of them for used. If I want to add another one for that, and I go to bus tours, and it's Cape Town, and today you'll see there's the 5 left.
Okay.
So on the fly can open up, but if you leave it open here, somebody else online will book this 5 seats.
Okay.
Okay. So either you use the one that you did on the fly, you use it completely, or you leave it available. I've got 5 seats. Let's see if somebody else also wants to travel to Cape Town. Okay. Then, so that's a nice way to monitor all your trips. There's quite a lot of things here. I'm not going to bother you with that. The check-in app I showed you. It's nice to have it electronic because then you don't have to save everything. All right.
Okay.
And then payments. We keep track of all your payments for you. There's a full payments report. And you say, I want a full payments report from that day to that day. You can do it per user.
More or less like a statement.
Yeah, it's like all your payments that came through. Then all the Paygate payments, everything that came from the Paygate, your online payments. You don't have virtual credit cards, so that won't be for you. Like I said, the full CRM, where it can remind a customer of his trip that he booked. Okay, and then management reports, quite intense management reports. And I say, I want to see my full October. And then it starts calculating for you for the full October. See, it's still calculating. I've got a lot now. I've got events on and accommodation and everything. So here you can see from your activities what you've made and your extras, and you've sold so many activities. Everything is hyperlinks. So if I want to see how did I make that revenue, I can click on the hyperlink and it takes me to all the bookings that makes up that amount.
Okay.
I can export it to Excel if I want to, and I can also go into the booking directly from here.
Okay.
If I want to go back, I just click on back and it displays the report for me again. And this report will show you what's in quotes, what's in inquiries, how much did you invoice, how much did you sell of those trips for this month. It will calculate everything for you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, all your payments, gives it. If I want to then take it to Excel, it will take each of these blocks to a spreadsheet and to a Excel workbook, and each of these will be on their own spreadsheet. So it's your full month end done.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
So here you can see my tours, my bus tour, Bloemfontein to Cape Town made so much, my bus tour to Cape Town made so much.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, quite a lot of management reports. I'm not going to take you through all of them
Yeah, I
now.
can see there's a lot over there.
Yeah. So it's quite intense.
Oh, I've seen one thing though, the promo code usage. I like
Yeah.
that also.
So you can also set up promo codes.
Mm-hmm.
You can sell a trip with a promo code.
Mm-hmm.
And then if they go online, let me just show you. Tours. I want to book that trip. You see here, they can have a voucher or promo code online. They can enter the promo code. You can advertise, book now for trip to Cape Town, blah, blah, blah. And then they can add the promo code in there and the discount will apply.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And then you can, of course, pull a management report to see how many of those promo codes that you sell.
Yes.
Okay, but there's quite intense management reports. Your mail tray report as well. If you want to see all your emails that's successful and all the ones that failed. Okay. And then your debtors. So we keep a little bit of your debtors for you. So there's quotes in the past, quotes in the future, invoices in the past, so meaning it's already departed and they still owe you money, and for future bookings. Once again, becomes hyperlinks. If I want to click on the 2,400, it will take me to bookings making up that 2,400, showing the outstanding amount.
Okay.
Then if it's under company, so let's say you want to do a statement for a company or tour operator or anything like that, you can also do a full statement for the company. Okay. So full statement for the company, your debtors report. You can pull a debtors report on any dates, and you can say only past events, include all my customers, and I want it in monthly. I'll first show you the daily one. So we age it by day as well. So there you can see it's already 11 days old. They still owe me money. Okay. And you can also pull the report by month. Fit like your 0 to 50, 50 to 60, 90 days, 120 days. Okay. Channel manager you want to use. Then your full setup. We set up your first initial venue setup for you. but you've got access to everything. You don't have to wait for us to create a promo code for you. You can do it yourself.
Yes.
You don't have to wait for us to change your logo. You can do it yourself. If you
Wow.
want to change your default emails, you can do it yourself. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Then customers, we compile your customer database for you. Okay, and it's
Mm-hmm.
quite interesting how the database works. So let's say this guy booked with you, his surname is Botha or Girl, okay, and he gets married in between, and they change their surname, and they go and
Mm-hmm.
book in, let's say in Pretoria into a guest house, they change
Mm-hmm.
their surname. When they book with you again, we'll retrieve the updated surname for you.
Okay.
We can also blacklist the customer. So
Mm-hmm.
let's say this customer has been naughty on the bus. I can
Mm-hmm.
blacklist him, and I can blacklist him for any of these reasons.
Okay.
Now, if this
Mm-hmm.
customer, I'm going to make a booking so you can see. Soon as you blacklisted the customer, they will not be able to book online. It will just tell them, please contact the venue. You cannot book online. So if
Okay.
they then phone the reservation department and they
Mm-hmm.
do a booking, they put this email in,
Mm-hmm.
select this email, it will warn them to say this
Mm-hmm.
customer been blacklisted for noise,
Mm-hmm.
okay? But they can still continue with the booking.
Okay.
It won't prevent them not to do the booking, it will just warn them.
Yeah.
Okay. In your case, probably you'll have alcohol abuse.
Obviously.
And,
Obviously.
yeah, and fights and all of that.
Yeah.
Okay, but that's a nice tool also to help you to manage your customers.
Yeah.
Okay, then the marketing list. So let's say I'm looking for all my customers, and you can break them down to Cape Town, KwaZulu-Natal, whatever way you want to break down. My customers are broken up in different sections now, and I'm going to say I want all my room customers. There's all my room customers. I can tick
Mm-hmm.
that on top, and I want to say create a mail, or I can export it, take it to my bulk provider. It
Oh, more or less like a mailman.
Yes, so I can
Okay.
blind copies them. I can send them my promo code or new price list, etc., and then mail it to them or my
Okay.
office.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then I just want to show you our unsubscribe link. So we've created the unsubscribe link for each venue.
Uh-huh.
So if you want to use it and use that mail, you can use this. And if they say I want to unsubscribe, the system automatically types them as no marketing mail, and
Mm-hmm.
then they won't form part of your marketing list.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes, we also offer that check-in with a QR code. So your bus driver can also have this laminated,
Mm-hmm.
and when they enter, they can scan it with their own phone, and then they can scan it and they can go to the check-in app. They will complete all the check-in questions, and
Uh-huh.
then it will show on the list that they've checked in.
Okay.
Okay. What else is there that I can tell you about us? Okay. So here's all our manuals. Then we've got a chatbot. Here it is, where it can
Okay.
it's a no bot. So it's got all those manuals uploaded, and it also learns himself, and
Mm-hmm.
it can help you with 24-hour support.
Okay.
Okay. And then here's our emails, but everybody, most of them will use the chatbot because the robot can ask any questions and also assist you with any support.
Okay.
What else is there that I can show you, Esron?
Mm. Oh, events. I've seen you've gone to your hovered over events.
Sorry?
That event. Is it just the ones we can add on the? Oh, sorry, that is your calendar. Yeah, it's still the system on that events tab.
Yeah.
Um, so we can add, as you said earlier, we can add events to the to the trips or something. We can add more trips or we can
Yeah.
create other events
You
in our
can
website
add
for the
more
trips.
trips. You don't have to wait for us. We'll
Mm-hmm.
set up your initial ones, but we
Mm-hmm.
teach you during the training how to add events, how
Mm-hmm.
to add more activities.
Mm-hmm.
If I say now I want the same for bus tours for Cape Town and I want
Mm-hmm.
to copy it,
Mm-hmm.
I can just edit it, and I can say bus tours, uh, let's say to, okay, that bus can take 80 people.
Mm-hmm.
Please calculate it. For me, you can give a specific date where it must start calculating it for you. And
Mm-hmm.
it's going to be under tours is activity. Use that check-in app for it. Minimum I'll take one, and this
Mm-hmm.
trip will be, let's say, 800, and for children 400, and for
Mm-hmm.
pensioners it will be 750.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can say it's a one-way trip. You can put the duration of the trip in here, and you
Mm-hmm.
can put any notes in here.
Mm-hmm.
Any terms and conditions. Okay. You can upload a photo for the trip. Any
Mm-hmm.
photo, a nice Joburg photo, a bus photo, any photo that you want to add on. And yeah, you can
Mm-hmm.
upload it, and you will do time slots. So you will say this trip from that date to that date until 31 December. I'm doing that trip. It's departing 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's arriving, let's say, 1 o'clock. And I can take 80. Okay. There's all my time slots, and immediately it's available.
Mm-hmm.
Very easy to add more trips, very easy to make trips inactive. I don't want people to book it online, or I don't want anybody to book it inactive. Nobody can book it.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
And immediately it's available. As soon as you click save, it's available online.
Okay.
You see, I didn't upload an image. This is what it
Yes.
will look like. So it
Mm-hmm.
always looks nicer on the image. And then let me show you as well. It is full mobile friendly. So if I go
Oh,
here,
it's full. It's responsive.
yes.
Oh,
Okay,
nice.
there's a small phone, bigger phone,
Mm-hmm.
tablet. Okay, of
Mm-hmm.
course they will not have this menu. You can also manage your property yourself
Mm-hmm.
from any device.
Okay.
Okay, very mobile friendly.
Yeah.
So, for users, it's unlimited users, meaning your
Mm-hmm.
management and your tour operators using it. Anybody that's going to log in here, it's
Mm-hmm.
unlimited.
Mm-hmm.
Unlimited activities or trips that you want to do, unlimited devices that you want to work on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's cloud-based, so meaning it needs to have Wi-Fi.
Okay.
What else is there that I can introduce to you?
Uh, well, I think for the start, I think I have now a clear picture of this, and
Mm,
yeah, it actually fit in into what we're trying to do. And you look, ours is not it's not much of a like the way the routes are defined. You know, ours is simple. Like we'll have where you list like the trips, right? Ours will
yes.
be the tour packages. And for now, we only have two for the start, which is Stellenbosch and Frashok. So it means they'll pre-book and there
Yes.
will not be like in between dropping off and hopping in. No, it will just be a straight trip. Like they're going to the
Ah,
wine
that's an
tram.
easy
Yeah,
one. Yeah.
that's the easy one. They'll just go to the wine tram in French Oak. They'll have a 2 hour session there, taste the wines, visit the vineyards, and then come back. Another group will start off maybe. So this will be split in three trips a
Yeah.
day for one route and
Awesome.
three trips for the other route as well. So it will be
Yeah.
like say at 10 they'll start off from say for instance civic center.
Yes.
So we are identifying a particular pickup point in within civic center.
Yes.
So they'll go there, hop on the bus, and then off they go. They'll spend
Wonderful.
2 hours there, and then they'll be dropped back on the pickup point.
Yeah.
That's the
That's
first trip.
awesome.
The second one also maybe around 1 to 3. The last one will be around 5 to 7 for the evening view and the
Yeah.
sunset, the twilight. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there will be basically just 3 trips on the go.
That's awesome. I
Yeah, and
normally
it's
take
easy.
those trips because I know I'm going to have too much wine.
Yeah. Yeah. I
Awesome.
see. Hey, so you see, it's actually easier to implement than the one that people are hopping off midway and I like the flexibility where now
Yeah.
if somebody
Yeah,
hops off
if your business evolves and you want to have now hop on, hop off trips, it's easy to manage then.
it'll be accommodated, I can see.
Yes, yes,
Yeah. So yeah, this is it's friendly for scalability. You can always expand, add more features, and
yes.
yeah,
And you can
responsive. It
also
means
sell vouchers online, so people can
mm-hmm,
purchase vouchers.
mm-hmm.
You can also have event tickets. Um,
Exactly. Actually, I was about to ask that. Say
yeah, let me
sometimes,
just quickly reinstate one of my tickets.
mm-hmm,
Let me show you. And just change mine to a newer date. Let's say on the 14th of November, I'm going to have this trip and it's going to end, let's say, 7 o'clock.
mm-hmm.
Safe. So this is also maybe nice if you have a special event, if there's a festival
Actually,
or
we do.
something on.
Actually, we'll have special events all the way. We're planning on having artists playing their poetry.
Yes,
We're planning on storytelling and poet art and stuff like that. you
yeah,
know. So I mean, every trip will carry something unique about the
yeah.
event.
So
Yeah,
people can also buy their ticket for the event.
nice.
There, once again, you can set up for adults, for pensions, you can call it whatever you want to, and they
Mm-hmm.
buy their ticket. They can
Mm-hmm.
add anything on, if they want to add a cheese platter and a picnic basket,
Yes.
they can add it on.
Okay.
Okay, and off they go. And there's the ticket booked. The ticket also works with a um, promo code, a QR code.
Okay.
So when they enter the festival, it can be scanned. You don't need a
Mm-hmm.
special scanner for it. All you need is Q2B. So there I
Okay.
purchased my ticket. I can show you what the ticket looks like. Print ticket, yeah. And there's the tickets. Pensioner and one person with lunch.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's got a QR code, the event details are on there, everything. And
Mm-hmm.
when they arrive at the event, you don't need a
Mm-hmm.
special scanner. Okay,
Okay.
you log into Q2B on any device, you go to
Mm-hmm.
check in, skip the
Mm-hmm.
ticket scanner, and
Mm-hmm.
it will pick up the camera from the device and it will start
Nice.
scanning that QR
That
code.
is saving because you don't need any handheld scanners for
Yeah, or
verification. I can
special
use
ticket.
Android.
Yeah. So this way you can sell vouchers and event tickets.
Perfect.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So let me just show you on Q2B a bit. I think
Mm-hmm.
maybe Etienne did show you. Our full system is 1105 per month, all excluding
Yes.
VAT.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you have multi properties which you don't have, you pay
Mm-hmm.
additional 200 Rand a month. And if you have the WhatsApp or any integrated partners, that is a fee, we charge you 200 Rand.
Okay.
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 For the SMSs, we don't do it. There's a few. It's for WhatsApp, for hyperguests, all of those special integrations we did.
Okay. Yeah. So for
So yours
SMS
will
is
be straightforward 1105 per month.
okay. So like for instance, you say for the SMS integration is 22 cents per SMS, right?
Yeah.
And what happened? Does the pricing change based on back SMS
Yes,
package?
sometimes they do put a increase on the SMSs.
Mm-hmm.
You buy it's quite an easy integration with them.
Mm-hmm.
Let me quickly show you. My SMSs are just finished. Okay, it's with all telecoms. So we give you
Mm-hmm.
provider names, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
there's the credits. I've got one credit, and
Mm-hmm.
the system can also warn you if you go less than a certain amount. You buy
Uh-huh.
credits from them, and they
Mm-hmm.
push the credits to Q2B.
Nice.
Okay,
Nice. Okay.
quite easy to do.
It is. It is easy.
Okay. But yeah, it's quite comprehensive. Your business can build on it.
Yeah.
It just gives you an idea what you can do in the future. There's
Yeah.
quite a lot of possibilities on it.
Exactly. Like it's easy. It can accommodate scalability of the
Yes.
services, the package, even other sections within the office. You can also use some of the modules I can see there.
Yeah. So
And
we offer
then,
a back office and then the front URL links, which you can place on your
mhm.
website.
Yeah. Okay.
Easy, and we manage your capacities for you so you
Okay.
don't get overbooked. You can add your book now link on Facebook, any platform,
Mm-hmm.
website, any platform. You can
Mm-hmm.
WhatsApp the link to people and they
Mm-hmm.
will be able to book directly.
Ah, okay.
Okay, the online payment, we've
Mm-hmm.
got two options that
Mm-hmm.
I would suggest. We integrated with all these pay gates. Not one
Okay.
of our clients are using them anymore.
Okay.
The best offer for Q2B clients is PayFast by Network.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they charge a 2.85% blended rate,
Yes.
2.85, and then 99 Rand for your merchant account and a
Mm-hmm.
1.5% on instant EFTs.
Mm-hmm.
Q2B Pay is a paygate that we designed ourselves with Bidvest Merchant Services.
Mm-hmm.
So they the bank behind it, we the paygate.
Mm-hmm.
They offer 2.8, but they
Mm-hmm.
don't have instant EFT.
Okay. Okay.
And instant EFT is very popular in South Africa.
Yes, it is.
And it PayFast offers it at a very low rate. So our most popular paygate is PayFast by
Very fast.
Network.
All right. And
Okay.
actually, before this meeting started, I was on a call with PayFast.
Oh,
Um,
okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
And
we've
so,
got a dedicated account executive just for
mhm.
our clients because
Okay.
we've got negotiated rates
Mm-hmm.
and costs for
Ah,
your
nice.
services.
So I think we're gonna use the same challenge. So now in
Yeah,
this arrangement, what happens? Like, say, we jump on board, right? We do the payment.
yeah.
Now on the payment integration, how do they
It
let
goes to
us
your
in?
merchant account, which you
Mm-hmm.
create with them. They open up a merchant account for you.
Mm-hmm.
It goes into your merchant account, and
Mm-hmm.
24 hours later, they put it out to your bank account.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So in this case, that means we'll proceed. You help us getting a account
Yeah,
registered with PayFast, and
yeah.
then we give them the account details, all the paperwork that they require, and you now bring it, you merge it with the API key to this
Yes,
platform so
yeah.
that it
And
goes
we'll
into
do
our
the
account.
setup for you. There's one or
Uh-huh.
two steps that you have to activate the account, get the encryption key for us. You
Yes.
send the encryption key, we add it, and done. Takes
Okay.
less than 3 minutes.
Yes.
So what
So.
I'll do, Hazen, I think
Mhm.
let me first send you our subscription contract. It's a pay as you go. So we
Okay.
don't keep you to a full term. It's not a full term contract.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say you've been using it for 3 months, your business is not working out, you can cancel at any time.
Okay.
Okay.
All
I'm
right.
going to send you the contract. On the contract, you can tick it here, you want a pay gate, and we'll introduce you to the account executives.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All those
Fine.
places have dedicated account executives assigned to Q2B.
Okay. And
Okay.
then one more thing I forgot.
Mm.
On the seats, the way the seats are managed on the bus, right? Would it be possible? I didn't. Okay. For
Yeah,
instance.
we don't do seating selection.
Okay. Yeah, I wanted to ask that.
Yeah,
Okay. Fine. All right.
unfortunately.
Yeah. No. No worries. A lot is
Yeah.
being done anyway, so it's fine. And that
Okay.
is just like a value-added service if you think
Yeah.
about it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll send you everything, and then if you've got more questions, normally after a demo, a customer will think, oh, I didn't ask that, I didn't ask that. You're
Yes. Yes.
welcome to pop me an email, and I will gladly answer all of them for you.
Okay. So,
All
and
right.
one more thing as well,
Mm,
all these things like the meals and everything, they can be configured when booking, right?
yes.
Like, yeah, then that's perfect.
You can add
Anything.
it on, and let me just show you, we compile it, we call it an extra list, and you
Yes.
can pull your list, let's say for a week, I want to see, now I
Mm-hmm.
think my stuff is under, um, let's just check where is my stuff listed on.
It's all right.
uh, yeah, this is just a demo site and everybody changes everything for me.
Oh, you have a demo site.
Yeah, this is my own demo site. You can also play around on it if you want to.
I wanted to ask for that. Like, I need to log in there and start playing around.
Yeah.
So,
So what I'll do, let me create while I'm on the line with you.
mhm.
I'm gonna create it to your Gmail. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So let's create a login for you and you can come and play around here.
Okay.
It's gonna call your name, your email, if you don't mind.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And let's say by month. I'm gonna leave you to start at the calendar.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and that will be your login name, your Gmail account.
Okay.
So that will be your username and your
Mm-hmm.
password will be welcome 01 with a capital W.
Okay.
I'll send it to you in the email as well.
Okay.
Okay. And then
Mhm.
log in here, come and play around here. There's nothing you can break.
Okay. It's a
Like you
test
see,
environment.
yeah, they
Okay.
change a lot of my things when I want to pull a report. I can't. But you can play around here. There's nothing you can break here.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. All right.
But any add-on, so you can add to your package a lunch, a cold drink, a soft drink,
Okay.
whatever you want to, and they can select it online and we compile
Okay.
it here to your list so you can see what you need to get ready.
Okay.
All right. So I'll send you that login details so you
Mm-hmm.
can go and play around.
Yeah.
Um, let me just stop this recording. I'll
Okay.
send
And also you can share the
the
recording
recording
so
to
that
you as well. Okay.
yes,